In this video, I'm going to talk about how there are other things to do apart from positive affirmation. Down to 4 parts. Number 1, there is self-improvement. Number 2, there is discipline. Number 3 is diligence. Number 4 is your mindset. Okay, number 1, self-improvement is when you are actually always looking out for ways to upgrade your life, ways to make your life better than it was yesterday. And when you are doing self-improvement, is normal for you to look at people that are already up there, people that have actually made it. That's going to be a whole video on this school comparison and all that. But self-improvement means you look out for yourself, you go for conferences, you read good books, you take courses, you learn skills, you even build people you surround yourselves with help to improve you. There's a very popular adage that says, show me your friend and I'll tell you about. That's digressing, but self-improvement also entails that. So number two is discipline. To be always about improving your life, upgrading your life, how to make yourself better than you were yesterday, it takes a lot of discipline. Why? Because most times we don't show up for ourselves. I'll make a video on that, what it means to show up for yourself. But for this video, I'm just going to give a little definition to it. Showing up for yourself means that when you make promises to yourself, that you are committed to seeing yourself grow. You know, listen about, I don't know, but there will be times when there are lectures, you're not feeling like going for this lecture, but you show up for that lecture. And then you set a time for learning or studying or improving on a skill or getting to learn a course you purchased, and then you don't show. You continue to procrastinate, you continue to postpone this, and it never happens. So discipline is actually one of the things you need as you go on your journey of self-improvement. Number 3 is diligence. As you're disciplined, you're working towards upgrading your life, you're working towards making yourself better, you're working towards grooming yourself to be a better person for you. Diligence is needed. It means you're doing this. Diligence kind of see it as consistency. You are consistent with growth. You don't just go on and up, on and up. You're not there, on and off. It doesn't work that way. Number 4 is mindset. Mindset is actually very important. Winning starts from the mind. Your winning starts from the mind. You have to see yourself there. Yes. See this photo. The boy is actually in a very dirty environment. What he sees in the mirror kind of reflects his mind. He's seeing himself as already successful. So winning actually starts from your mind, because your mind has the limiting beliefs. That's a whole video on this one. I'll make a video on that. The 4th thing that you should know when you are actually looking out to improve on your life. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.